A whole box. Got some new heat transfers. What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is another version of the Daily Dash. We're gonna do a little bit of DoorDash. This morning I got up a little bit early and got nothing else better to do some dashing right now. Well, I just got an order of all of those sweatshirts, so those are gonna be the new off-axis sweaters. So if you guys haven't yet, check out our merchandise at offaxisacrobatics.com. So we got new sweaters in, we have guys joggers, girls yoga sets, what else we got? We got normal t-shirts, we got like zip up hoodies, we got everything now. So we got shoes and all kinds of clothes that you can ever imagine. So if you guys haven't yet, check out offaxisacrobatics.com. That's my clothing line and footwear company. Anyway, so let's get this dash started. I woke up today and I had, not gonna lie, I had a Tinder date and they just straight up didn't show up. That's why I'm wearing this nice shirt. So day could have started off a little bit better, but I'm just gonna say that it could be worse, you know? It could be a lot worse. But single life, I guess this is how it is, you know? You gotta deal with other people, oh well. Anyways, not gonna let that ruin my day, so let's go make some money. So while we are on the topic of bad dates or like non-existent dates, if you guys have been on a Tinder date or just any kind of like blind date basically, comment down below the worst experience that you guys have had. I've had some pretty bad experiences, although I've been engaged for the last couple years, so I have not really been on too many dates. This is literally like the second one that I've been on in a really long time. So I just totally forgot how much single life sucks for this exact reason. Anyways, so comment down below in the comments. This is my question to you guys. Worst date. You guys don't have to respond to, but I think it'd be funny to see some of the horrible dates that people have gone on, because this is like the time of catfish. No offense, but like a lot of people make themselves out to be who they really aren't on their profiles, and it's just unfortunate, you know, like just be who you are. Anyways, all right, so we are driving over to the outlet mall, gonna make some money this morning, so I can at least say it was a productive morning. Is it crazy that I actually kind of enjoy doing DoorDash? Because I actually do, you know, like a lot of times when I'm just sitting at home, I'm getting like the worst orders in the world right now. Bunch of $3 orders. Who's gonna take those, you know? A lot of times, yeah, I'm just like sitting at home. What you guys don't see is I actually like work like 8 hours a day in my office or my podcast area. If you guys have seen the podcast area, I pretty much sit at that table all day long and essentially work on my shoe company. Sometimes I try to sell my stunt show. Right now it's not really selling because of COVID. But yeah, I sit at that table basically like 8 hours a day and do sales and like work on the website and all kinds of stuff that involve like the footwear company. So for me, it's kind of like I kind of enjoy and look forward to getting out of the office and like driving around. I do not mind driving at all. I kind of wish I still had a sports car, because when I drove my Focus ST around every day, that was really fun. This Explorer is not as fun, and I kind of feel like I'm wasting a lot of gas. But yeah, so it's kind of like fun, and it's something that I actually look forward to. And like I just listen to podcasts like the whole time that I'm in here. So it's like I'm entertained, you know, I'm learning. I'm like, I kind of check out the news a little bit, try to stay away from the politics and stuff. But yeah, so it's kind of fun, and I actually enjoy doing it. Do you guys enjoy doing it? Let me know in the comments down below, because I think it's a pretty lucrative and fun way of making money, you know? And you make pretty good money. Oh my God. Okay, so for context, today is Wednesday, January 6th, and today's like the day that either, I don't know, they certified the election, or if they don't certify the election. And I'm sitting here watching this, the Congress certify it. Oh my God. The world is gonna blow up this year. Maybe within the next week, you know? Shit is getting crazy. This whole election thing has just been out of control. It is, I mean, this whole thing has turned into a giant reality TV show, basically. Like, political people are now like characters in a political, like, comedic show on. It's basically like, you know, it's turned into a freaking soap opera, basically. I don't know. It's crazy, and this is why I try to avoid politics at all costs, because, man, there's not really much you can do to control it. Like, you really can't do much, and your opinion doesn't really matter that much. It does, like, I'm all about voting and stuff, but man, there's really not much you can do about it. So try to not get upset with politics, people. Like, politics is going to be like what tears the country apart, and like, really, like, we should be upset at bigger things. Like, there's many different things that we should be upset by. But anyways, I'm just gonna throw that out there because I hate seeing my friends argue with each other on Facebook, and like, just don't let it get to you, man. Like, focus on your life and things that you have in your grasp that you can control on a daily basis. All right, that is all I'm gonna say, because I try to stay away from politics on this channel because I really don't give a crap who the president is. It really does not matter to me. All right, so quick little update. It's been about 25-30 minutes or so, and I've been sitting here at the mall waiting for an order. Sometimes this happens, you know. I am literally not following any of my rules, and that means like dashing at the right time. It's 10:45 in the morning. Not exactly the greatest time to be dashing, and it kind of shows because I've gotten a lot of orders that go to the Strip, but those are always going to be there. I always avoid the Strip at all costs. I don't care how much the order is paying. It'd have to be like a $30 order for me to go and deliver to the Strip, because that means walking through the hotels and stuff. But I just did accept an order for $6 for 6 miles, and it literally drives me right back to my house. So we're gonna accept this order because I could probably be doing more productive things than sitting in a parking lot right now. You know, sometimes this happens. Sometimes you're just dashing at the wrong time, and you should probably go and do something else until it's a better time to be dashing. So we're gonna accept that order, and we're gonna go get it done. Jersey Mike's, here we go. Look at that, look at that. As I am finishing saying that, we get another order from Jersey Mike's. Oh yeah, look at this. See, they do this sometimes. An extra $2 for an extra 4 miles? Come on now. I'm not gonna drive 4 miles for $2. Like, that's silly. Why? I really don't know why they even consider giving people orders for $2. Like, guys, if you accept an order for $2, I might think differently of you, because your time is not worth $2 under any circumstances. That's what you can buy a soda with $2. Like, you can't even, like, I don't know, every time I accept an order, I think, okay, this is like a meal. Every single one, I can like buy a new meal with this or something, you know? Something from Chipotle or Jersey Mike's or any of that stuff. Just don't accept orders for $2. That's the worst. Just don't do it, you know? If you're watching this channel, I trust that you are not going to be accepting orders for $2, because that is some bullshit. On the bright side, for the last 20 minutes, I've been literally cleaning out my car. I filled up this whole coffee cup with trash. I've just been kind of like delaying the, like, I don't know, all these like cubbies in my car. My car has a lot of little cubbies, and they generally start to fill up with a lot of I hate to say it, but things that I don't really need, like excess napkins. There's no reason why I need napkins from every single restaurant, and just a bunch of other little things. Anyways, so let's do this. All right, so just dropped off the Jersey Mike's order. I'm currently pretty close to my house, and I'm probably gonna end this video right here, because I was just listening to that live stream of the whole election thing, and they went into recess, and about like 5 minutes later, they were told to get under their chairs. Now, I don't know what that means, but I can only imagine that it's not good. So I hope this world is not about to go into like some crazy civil war. Anyways, by the time you guys see this, we'll probably know what happens, but I am going to call this right here. If you look, I'm trying to hold my camera from falling, because it always does when I put it right here. Anyways, so yeah, hopefully everyone has a good day today. Everyone stay safe. Try not to get too pissed off at this politics stuff, and let's all come together, and we are one nation. Oh my god, another freaking $4 order. Come on, this is some BS. This is why I'm not going to be dashing anymore for right now, at least until like dinner or so, because man, I've gotten like 10 $3 orders in a row, and I am not taking any of those orders. Anyways, all right, subscribe if you guys haven't. Sorry today's video kind of sucked. Daily Dash is kind of like I just pull up my camera and just go and like vlog with whatever happens. So sometimes it's fun. Like one day we made $50 in an hour. Sometimes it's just totally boring and it's very anticlimactic. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Subscribe.